look at the VLOOKUP function. We have got two sheets. One is a master sheet and another is another sheet where we are working on it. Okay, so this is your master and this is your another sheet where you would like to transfer data from the master sheet. Okay, so this is the master and this is your sheet. So here we are going to use the VLOOKUP function to copy the data from the master. So this is your employee code which we will be searching in the master. So this is the master. Okay, this is the master. Since we would like to keep the area permanent, we'll put a $sign there. Then we would like the second column to be copied. So that is it. Now I copy the formula to the bottom. So everything gets copied from there. Now I want to copy the formula here from A3 to D13. The third field we want to copy. So it is this third. So this third, and what I mean by third is this is the third field. Okay. So Robert is coming from here, C7002. So this is Robert. He's coming from here. Okay. Now here again we will be checking on with B3, A32 and the fourth. Okay, so Robert has got 44,000. Suppose I make this as 55,000, it will change. Okay, so similarly we will be copying the formula for all other employees. So this way you will find that the changes have been made and the data from the master sheet is coming into this sheet. So just in case you want to verify, let us say Sheetal Fadke. So Sheetal Fadke, where is Sheetal Fadke? Yeah, here. So if I make this as 23,000, so you will find that Sheetal Fadke, the salary has changed to 23,000. Okay, thank you.